Hey guys, and today we're gonna play a Minecraft episode. What is episode here? This is 9 or 8. I don't. This is episode 9. Yeah, let's play. Okay, the last episode, guys. I don't know what is the last episode. Yeah. What's the guys? I will this. You need you need to see this my build. It is awesome, yeah. Please subscribe for me and shout out for Jobskin and Mike TPN. Please subscribe for too because Mike TPN is very low subscribe and please subscribe for him. Please subscribe. Okay, please. Okay, I was talking to him. My nose is itchy. My nose is itchy. Okay. It's so the loading is so slow. Eh. Where am I? What is this? Who are you? Oh, wow. Who are you? Who are you? Oh man, the chat is fucking hate you. Ah, guys, I will get with this person. Sorry, it. Ah. Okay, guys. Comment, guys. Comment below what should I build. Pick one, A or B. A. Mm, I don't know. Wait. A farm horse or a pet doggy. Choose one. A or B. A is a farm horse. B is a. The sound is fucking. The sound is so awesome. Yeah. I like it. Yeah. So romantic. Oh, the sound is gone. What the fuck? Oh. It's so. Hey, come on. Oh. Guys, I will a show you amazing transformer. This is a mod. I get it into the NPC Master because it's awesome. Yeah, it's awesome. Okay, ayun ko lang. Straight Let me show this awesome Lord. This is the fucking awesome. This. Oh, it's a normal video. What the fuck? This is a blaze. That is a big blaze. That is her flame. What the fuck? This is a big airplane. What the fuck? Wow. That's an airplane. That is not a blaze. What the fuck? This is the airplane. Let's take a look. This. Let's take a look. That is a witch. That is a witch. What the fuck? That's a transformer. That's an octopus fire. What the fuck? Wait, what is that? This is another witch. Listen to the sounds of transformer. Wow, the sound is so it's in there, man. What the fuck? Oh, my game is crashing now. Mamaya na. My crash game. Guys, I will end this episode, guys. Sorry, guys.